We're going to solve logarithm equations now. There's a few different types, but these are the easiest ones that follow right from the logarithm definitions that you worked on yesterday. When you have one logarithm, that is a logarithm in the equation already, and it's just equal to a number. That's a one log equation. We do what's called the loop-de-loop. It's the same as what we were doing yesterday with the definition, that the base 2 is raised to the negative second exponent and equal to what's inside a. We do a loop-de-loop. I draw that out by circling the 2 base raised to what it's equal to, and now is equal to the inside, giving me the equation 2 to the negative second equals a. And now your job is just to figure this answer out. This is 2 squared, and do the reciprocal. 2 squared is 4, the reciprocal is 1/4. That makes a equal to 1/4. That's it, final answer. So on the second one, loop-de-loop says take 4, raise it to the 0, equal to n. We're writing it as an exponential. 4 raised to the 0 equals n. And what is 4 to the 0 power? It's 1. Anything to the 0 is 1. Now we have other operations sometimes that we still start with the loop-de-loop. We start 8 raised to the negative first, but now it's equal to all of m plus 3. 8 to the negative first equals m plus 3. And we have another step to solve. I start with 8 to the negative first equals m plus 3. I figure out what is 8 to the negative first. That's 1/8 equals m plus 3. And then to get m by itself, I need to subtract 3 from both sides. If you subtract 3 from 1/8, 1/8 minus 3, you get negative 23/8. You can just do that in your calculator. This one we have base 3 raised to the first equals 4x. 3 raised to the first equals 4x. So again, we just need to figure out what's 3 to the first. Well, it's 3 is equal to 4x, so x is 3/4. Down here, same thing, except now we have a little bit of solving first. I have to get this log part by itself. I need to get rid of that too. Over here, I need to get this log part by itself. I need to get rid of adding 10, so we undo it. I need to undo first by dividing both sides by 2. I don't touch what's inside here. I just divide both sides by 2. That gives me the equation log base 4 of a plus 2, or a plus 1, equals 3. Now I can loop it up. 4 to the third equals a plus 1. 4 to the third equals a plus 1. Well, what's 4 to the third? Stick it in your calculator. That's 64 equals a plus 1, so a is 63. Similarly, over here on this last one, I want to get the log by itself. I need to move 10 over. I need to subtract that 10 to the other side. And I get the equation log base 8 of b plus 7 equals 3. When I loop it up, 8 to the third equals b plus 7. 8 to the third is 512 is b plus 7. That means b is 505. So you have a set of those to do for your assignment, all very similar to what you see here.